Good morning, dear children, and a very happy new year to you all. Children, may this new year bring all the happiness and good health to you all. Today, in this class, I have taken a new topic, and the name of the topic is multiplication of decimal numbers. Children, in this topic, we will learn how can we multiply the decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. How can we multiply the decimal numbers by simple numbers, and how can we multiply the decimal numbers by decimal numbers? Okay, so let us start. First one is multiplication of decimal numbers. Children, here multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Here the rule that you have to remember that decimal will shift towards the right side according to the zero present in the multiplier. Okay, here you can see first example 2.76, and this number is multiplied by 10. Here you can see in multiplier 1 0 is here, so the decimal will shift towards the right side only one step. Why? Because only 1 0 is present here. So the answer will become 27.6, that you can see here. Now the same question, or you can say the same number is multiplied by 100. Here what do you see? Here multiplier has two zeros. It means the decimal will shift 2 steps forward to the right side. Okay, so what the answer will be? 276 and decimal. But children, remember that to the extreme right we never write decimal. What we will write it simply 276. Okay, now the next example, the same number 2.76 multiplied by 1000. Here what do you see? 3 zeros in multiplier. So here how many steps the decimal will shift towards the right side? 3 steps. Here you can see after decimal only 2 digits are there. So for the third digit, what you will do? You will put 0. Okay, so the answer will become 276 and 0 and then point. As I told you before, we never write decimal to extreme right side. So we will simply write it 2760. Children, hope this method you all have understood nicely. Now let us see second example, multiplication of decimal numbers by simple numbers. Here you can see 4.2 is decimal number and 7 is simple number. So children, remember we have to do simple multiplication. Forget about the decimals. Okay, 7 2s are 14, 4 carry over 1, 7 4s are 28 and 1 29. Now in answer we have to put decimal. So here what do you see? After decimal one digit is there. Okay, so in answer you will put decimal before one digit from the right side. This is your right side and you will put decimal here before one digit, because here after one digit the decimal is here. Now in second example, 3.827 multiplied by 12. As I told you before, we will do simple multiplication. 2 sevens are 14, 4, carry over 1. 2 twos are 4, 1, 5. 2 eights are 16, 6, carry over 1. 2 threes are 6 and 1, 7. Now, multiply by 1. 1 is present on tens place, so we will leave 1's place vacant. 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2, 1 eights are 8 and 1 threes are 3. When you will add the numbers, you will get 4, 7 and 5, 12, 2, carry over 1, 6, 2, 8 and 1, 9, 7 and 8, 15, 5, carry over 1, 3 and 1, 4. Children, here what do you see? You see after decimal, how many digits? 3 digits. So, you will put decimal before 3 digits from the right side. So 1, 2, 3 and here you will put decimal. So the answer will be 45.924. Here you can see. Children, hope you all have understood this method also. Now see the next multiplication of decimal numbers by decimal number. Here I have taken two more examples. Here you can see 3.24 multiplied by 4.2. What you have to do? You have to do simple multiplication. So when you have multiplied it by 2, you have got 648. And when you have multiplied 3.24 by 4, you have got 1296. And when you have added, you have got 13,608. Now here in answer we have to put decimal. So first we will count decimals. Here in multiplicand you can see the decimal is before 2 digits and in multiplied the decimal is before 1 digit. So total how many digits? 3 digits. So in answer you will put decimal before 3 digits. Okay. Here so the answer is 13.608. Okay. Now let us see one more example. 24.1 multiplied by 5.2. I have written here 24.1 and 5.2 and we will do simple multiplication. Here you can see simple multiplication I have done. Okay. And when we have added the answer, we have got 12,530. Now the last step we have to put decimal. So here you can see after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So total 2 digits. So what you will do in answer? You will put decimal before 2 digits. So the answer that you have got 125.30. Children, hope all three methods of multiplication you have understood. So do it, practice and solve the sums that I have given it today. Thank you and have a good day.